Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Ellis County in north central Texas, southwestern Dallas County in north central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Hold on.
7:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Hutchinson, Wilmer, Ovilla, Ferris, Oak Leaf, Pecan Hill, Rocket, and Trumbull. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 in between mile markers 405 and 420. Interstate 20 between mile markers 460 and 472. Interstate 45 between mile markers 263 and 266. In between mile markers 275 and 278. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive through flooded roadways.